Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. Today's episode, we are going to see silk cotton sarees in two concepts, Palam Param checks and Buttas. This time it's very pretty unique color combinations in Palam Param checks. We have double color and multicolor checked with beautiful Buttas. We also have few zari checked pattern and also traditional Buttas and silk cotton sarees in Rudraksham and Retapet borders. The price range for these sarees are between 3,500 and it goes up to 4,500. Let's get started. All these sarees are available in our website. I'm going to show you only 30 sarees. We have many more unique color combinations that are available. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. To get immediately notified whenever we upload a video, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. The first saree for today, a very beautiful double color Palam Param checks with zari woven borders. This has got pretty sea green with rustic orange and beautiful paisley buttas woven in zari alternating in between the checks. And the border has got annams and mangoes woven in zari. This has got a very traditional zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast brick orange blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is black and white, very elegant and subtle. So this has got checks alternating in black and white with small Rudraksham motifs woven in golden zari alternating in between the checks, and the border has got beautiful paisleys woven in golden zari. This has got a beautiful pallu in black, that's the pallu, and a contrast black blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is copper sulphate blue and lime green combination with bawanji borders on either sides, and the entire body is in two color checks with small buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a traditionally woven zari pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast lime green blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is a multicolor check in purple, pink and golden green with bawanji borders on either sides and small buttas alternating in between the checks. This has got a very pretty double shade elaichi green pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast green blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is a very pretty color. It's pink with coffee brown in bawanji border again. This has got a small piping in coffee brown on either sides with beautiful Rudraksham buttas woven in golden zari alternating in between the checks. A very traditionally woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a contrast coffee brown blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is the evergreen traditional Palam Param checks, multicolor. Beautiful bawanji borders on either sides with small buttas woven in zari running in between the checks. This has got a beautiful green pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast green blouse. Priced at 3,675. This one is also a very pretty and a subtle color. It's coffee brown with elaichi green, bawanji borders on either sides, and the entire body has got beautiful temple buttas alternating in between the checks with a coffee brown pallu, beautiful zari woven pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got brown blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is another color in brown, beautiful parrot green with coffee brown combination, bawanji borders and small Rudraksham buttas woven in golden zari alternating in between the checks. This has got a very pretty brown pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast brown blouse, that's the blouse. Priced at 3,675. Next one, a bright shade of pink with dual tone of green and yellow. This has got a very subtle yellow with beautiful Rudraksham buttas in between the checks and a very pretty border. This has got a small temple followed by a wavy border and mango buttas along both sides of the border with a hot pink pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast pink blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is Rani pink and peacock blue with bawanji border. Beautifully woven on both sides, and the entire body has got small temple buttas woven in golden zari alternating with a very pretty peacock blue pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast peacock blue blouse. Priced at 3,675. The next one is brown with dual shade of green and yellow. Very subtle with Rudraksham buttas alternating in between the checks with bawanji borders on either sides. This has got a contrast coffee brown pallu. That's the pallu. And a brown blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 3,675. With this, we'll move on to zari checks. Very traditional and beautiful color combination with retapet border. A very pretty purple and green combination. The entire body has got beautiful zari checked pattern with traditional retapet border in Rudraksham on both sides. This has got a contrast green pallu. Very subtle and elegant with a zari checked blouse in contrast to the body color in green. The price for this sari is 4,190. The next one is peacock blue and chili red. Very traditional retapet border in Rudraksham pattern on both sides. The entire body has got a zari checked pattern with a contrast red pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a zari checked red blouse. Priced at 4,190. The next one is a beautiful pink with violet combination. This has got paisley woven zari borders on either sides, short border with zari checked pattern running throughout the body. This has got a contrast violet pallu. That's the pallu. And a zari checked violet blouse. Priced at 4,190. The next one is navy blue and green in zari checked pattern and traditional retapet border with Rudraksham design. The body has got a zari checked pattern with a contrast green pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a green blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 4,190. The next one is a very pretty color again. It's bottle green with light green combination. Retapet border in Rudraksham pattern with zari checks running throughout the body. This has got a contrast light green pallu. That's the pallu. And a zari checked green blouse. Priced at 4,190. The next one, a pretty color again. It's brown with green. Same style, retapet border with Rudraksham design. The entire body is in zari checks with a green pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a green blouse. Priced at 4,190. The next one is a dual shade of peacock blue with magenta. Zari checked pattern running throughout the body with beautiful mango borders woven in zari on either sides. This has got a contrast magenta pallu. That's the pallu. And a zari checked blouse in magenta. Priced at 4,190. With this, we will move on to buttas. We have both long and short borders in butta style. This one is a very pretty dual shade of pink with magenta combination. Traditionally woven Rudraksham border, a short border on one side, and towards the bottom part, this has got a longer border with bawanji in between two Rudrakshams. And the entire body has got beautifully woven paisleys and peacocks in zari. This has got a contrast magenta pallu. That's the pallu. And a magenta blouse. That's the blouse. priced at 4,780. Another color, same style, it's rust with black. Rudraksham borders on either sides, short on one side and longer border on the other side. The entire body has got coin buttas woven in golden zari with a contrast black pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a black blouse. Priced at 4,780. The next one is golden yellow with Rudraksham border. Short border on one side, longer border towards the bottom part of the sari. And the entire body has got beautifully woven coin buttas with a rich pallu woven in golden zari. That's the pallu. And this has got a self blouse with a rich zari border. Priced at 4,780. The next one is purple and mustard with retabet border. This has got small zari border with a beautiful mustard piping on one side. The entire body has got small peacocks woven in golden zari. That's how it looks. And towards the bottom part, this has got traditionally woven retabet border with a rich pallu in mustard. That's the pallu. And this has got a mustard blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 4,780. One more color, same style, black with mustard. Short, simple Rudraksham border on one side with a mustard piping. The entire body has got beautiful coin buttas woven in golden zari. Towards the bottom part of the border, this has got a traditionally woven retabet border in Rudrakshams with a rich pallu in mustard. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast mustard blouse. Priced at 4,780. The next one is a dual shade of yellow and green with blue combination. Retabet border again in blue. And the entire body has got small floral motifs woven in golden zari with a contrast copper sulphate blue pallu, a rich pallu. And this has got a blue blouse. That's the blouse. The sari is priced at 3,530. The next one is bottle green and red. Traditionally woven zari borders on both sides. The entire body has got small temple buttas woven in golden zari with a beautiful contrast pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a contrast red blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is coffee brown and copper sulphate blue. A very different color combination with coin buttas running throughout the body. Rich zari borders on either sides. This has got a traditionally woven pallu in golden zari. That's the pallu. And a contrast copper sulphate blue blouse. That's the blouse. The sari is priced at 4,390. The next one is violet and pink, a beautiful combination with temple zari borders on either sides and beautiful temple buttas running throughout the body. This has got a very pretty pallu in pink. That's the pallu. And a hot pink blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is bottle green and pink. Traditionally woven zari borders and floral pattern on both sides. The body has got small golden motifs running throughout the body with a rich pallu in pink. That's the pallu. And this has got a pink blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is rust orange and green. Traditionally woven zari borders and temple pattern on both sides. The entire body has got small mango buttas woven in golden zari with a contrast green pallu. That's the pallu. And this has got a green blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is deep navy blue and maroon combination. Bawanji borders on both sides. with beautiful temple buttas woven in golden zari running throughout the body. This has got a contrast maroon pallu, that's the pallu, and a maroon blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is green and coffee brown. Beautiful bawanji border on either sides with small buttas woven in golden zari running throughout the body. This has got a contrast coffee brown pallu, that's the pallu, and a brown blouse. That's the blouse. Priced at 3,530. The next one is maroon with copper sulphate blue combination. Traditionally woven bawanji borders on both sides, and the entire body has got small mango buttas woven in golden zari with a contrast blue pallu, that's the pallu, and this has got a blue blouse with bawanji border. So that's the blouse. Priced at 3,530. The last saree for today, dual shade of blue with coffee brown combination. Bawanji borders on both sides with small temple buttas running throughout the body. That's how it looks. This has got a contrast coffee brown pallu, that's the pallu, and a brown blouse with rich zari border. Priced at 3,530. All these sarees are available in our website. We have many more color combinations that are available. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link given in the description, which will directly take you to the collections page. Thank you for watching this video and have an enriching shopping experience at Prashanti.